This is my 2023 Honda Rancher 420, and I need to reset the service light after the first service, so we're going to do this together. To reset the meters after each scheduled maintenance. To reset the maintenance trip meter and the hour meter, press and hold the mode button and turn the ignition switch to on. Continue to hold the mode button. The maintenance minder indicator will light up after 2 seconds, will flash twice, and it's reset. Okay, so let's try that. We're gonna hold this down and turn it on. Keep holding it. It's flashing, I think. There. And it's off. Cha-ching. Just don't forget to change your oil.